Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're an old comer, welcome back. If you're a newcomer, so glad to have you join the family. Just hit the red button and come along for the journey. So as you see from the title guys, today I'm going to make the authentic Jamaican rice and peas dish. So grab your ingredients and let's get straight to it guys. And here you have it guys, already our Jamaican authentic rice and peas dish. Guys, thank you all so much for watching and see you all in my next video guys. Bye.